Hello everyone, this is Mukesh and in this video we will see the unboxing of Dell MS5320W mouse. I purchased this mouse from Flipkart and it costs around 1900 rupees, but one can get it uh, in 2500 rupees in general price from any online store. I purchased in sale, so it's cost a little bit less. This is the receipt, and here is the packaging from the company. This is the Flipkart box. I'm keeping it aside, and here there is some details given on the mouse, and there is some pictures and details. The MRP is given like 4000 rupees, and here is the some model number and serial number is given on the packaging. Let's remove this plastic kind of thing. And finally here is the mouse, and on the top of side it is in silver color, so that's why it's shining, and in the back side it is in gray color. It seems a bit higher than in the lower portion. And this is the tilt wheel feature of this mouse, and this is the switch button, so that one can switch across devices by clicking on this button. I think at maximum 3 devices can be connected at the same time. And this is 2 button. I think it could be also customizable. And this is switch on switch off button of this mouse. This is optical sensor, and this is plastic and rubber kind of thing. That was the receiver, and here there is some screw given here, but I think it would be magnetic, which keeping it stick with the rest of the mouse. And this is the receiver, so that one can connect this mouse from the laptop or computer. I think there should be one battery here. So Dell has provided one battery, but one can get it from market easily. So I think it should be manual. There is some user guidance and some picture given, so that one can get no idea to use this mouse. And this is a long paper. I think there would be caution and precaution to use this mouse safely, so I'm not going to read all these things, keeping it inside the box. Let's keep these things aside, it is not required as of now. So this is the receiver, USB receiver, so that one can connect it with the laptop or computer. This is the battery. I think there is a strip type of thing is given here inside this. Some details regarding the battery is given here. So I think with this strip one can pull out the battery. And there is also a small portion given here to keep the USB receiver inside it. So it is magnet, so it easily got stuck with the rest of the mouse. And here is the switch button to connect multiple devices. and this is tilt wheel feature. Here is the switch off button, switch on button. So now I think it is switch off, so it should not blink. Now switching on, now we can see there is LED blink. So mouse seems a bit bigger at lower portion, a bit higher, but I think you might be habituated while you started using it.